Yo guys, my name is Legend and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm finally done with exams and as you might have noticed, I'm starting to work more on my bike again. I just installed my taillight. I just worked on the other project R125 and today I have another install video of a double bubble windscreen for my R125, so let's do it. Okay, so here we have it, the double bubble screen by Puig. What the hell is that kind of name? Who cares? Let's just open it. Alright, here it is. That looks clean. So if you don't know what a double bubble screen is, well, first of all, I picked black because my bike is black. But a double bubble screen has more of a curve to it. It's a little bit higher. It should improve aerodynamics. To be honest, I just bought it for aesthetics because I like the way it looks. Let's see if we can get it to fit on my bike. Ooh, that's a satisfying peel. Oh yeah. Now it does not come with any hardware. You just reuse the original hardware where your original screen is attached with, so let's do it. Okay, so the install itself is really easy. The windscreen is held in by 6 screws. Take these out and the windscreen should just slide out. However, there are small rubber pieces that go through the windscreen into your bike. So watch out when pulling out the windscreen that you pull those out far enough. These are the rubber pieces I was talking about. So make sure you pull these out because we have to reuse them for the new windscreen. And right here you see a comparison between the old and the new. As you can see, the new one is more curved and a little bit taller. So let's go ahead and put the rubber pieces into the new one. Just slide it right into place and screw everything down. And that's pretty much everything you have to do. Once again, really easy install. But in my opinion, it looks great. The black looks awesome on my black bike. I rode around with it. I actually do feel a difference at higher speeds on the highway when I'm trying to look over my shoulder, turning my head. I actually feel less drag on my head, which is quite nice, and it just looks good. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!